Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. No great thing is created suddenly. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. He who has a why to live can bear almost any how. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Knowing others is intelligence. Knowing yourself is true wisdom. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. He who conquers himself is the mightiest warrior. It is not the mountain we conquer, but ourselves. Do not pray for an easy life. Pray for the strength to endure a difficult one. Absorb what is useful, discard what is useless, and add what is specifically your own. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity. Action is the foundational key to all success. He who is brave is free. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. What we achieve inwardly will change outer reality. Well begun is half done. Patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. To know what you know and what you do not know, that is true knowledge. Success is stumbling from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing.